Hello and welcome to Tech Tips. This is Byron. Thank you for joining us. And today I am going to discuss Revit file associations. We all have Revit 2050, or most of us anyway, and we're probably having a few versions of some Revit 2014 projects, some Revit 2015 projects that are just starting up, and it's sort of a mix there. And we might want to choose a specific version of Revit to open up these files. Now I've gone ahead and I've created a Revit 2015 project, and we're going to attempt to open this project. And one thing we're going to notice right away is by default it's choosing my 2014 version of Revit. That will not do for us. As we all know, backwards compatibility, it's not going to work. That file is just not going to open up. So what's an option? We could start up Revit 2015 and open up the file through there. If we right click here and we actually open with and then choose a default program, we try to associate it to Revit 2015. If we specifically find the Revit 2015 executable, you might think that this would work. It will not. There it is, 2014 again. And what we really need to do, if we want to always double click on these files, these revit.exes, and open them up with Revit 2015, close that, we need to make a registry change. Now, we can access the registry through two methods. First method, we can actually go to the actual folder, the Windows folder in the C Windows, and choose regedit.exe and just open that up. Or we can hit the Windows key and type regedit, and that will also populate this executable. We'll open it up, start it up, and what we want to look for specifically is a folder called revit.exe, and here it is right here. You'll see it in computer HKey classes root applications revit.exe. Now what we need to do is change a value for what opens up a Revit executable. So we're going to go to our command subfolder here in our registry and change the default value here. Right now, as you can see, it's choosing a revit.exe in the Revit Structure 2014 folder. We don't want that. We want the 2015 version of Revit. Hit OK. Close this. It's that simple. And now I'm going to attempt to open up my project, and there it is. It's choosing Revit Structure 2015. Now this is great, this registry edit. If we want to choose, instead of opening things up with Structure, we want them to be opened up with MEP, or we want them to choose to be opened up with Revit 2012. It's up to us. We have complete flexibility over the default program or default version of Revit that we choose to utilize here. And that's it. There it is. Project was opened up with Revit 2015. Simple as that. Quick registry edit, and that's it. Thank you for joining us. This was Byron. Enjoy.